Welcome to this flash tutorial. It's titled Syntax Error. I'm just going to show you what the program's supposed to do when you test it. You got these string of beads that follow the mouse around and eventually rest like that. It's done in ActionScript 2. It's very old. I must have did it 5-10 years ago. The only reason I'm able to troubleshoot it is because the person that did this from one of my videos used the exact same code as I did, so I'm able to cut and paste so I can narrow down what the problem was, because I really couldn't troubleshoot it. So what I did was the person sent me their code and I brought it into this FLA. So I'm going to go back to my working model here, right click, select all, and I'm going to click on this spot right here. It says apply block comment, and it puts a asterisk and a back and a forward slash here, and it puts a forward slash and an asterisk here, so it's not recognized by the computer. And what I'm going to do is put her code or his code here. So I'm opening this up, right click, select all, right click, copy it, go back to my working program, paste it in, and try it. Control test movie test, and I get this crazy line thing. I think that's what she told me, or he told me he had. Just the line moves around. And when I looked at it, it took a while, but down here at this, the second last line, it says ball. That should be ball A. And the other fault that I found was right up here in what's my line 36 is this ball A, and this should be ball B. And once I changed them, it worked. And there it is. Very short. I don't know what you could learn from this other than you could substitute if you have the exact same code in a program. And you could also learn that if you're doing my videos and use them the exact same way, I'll have a much better chance of helping you fix them. Hope you learned something from this tutorial, and I hope you use what you learn.